Yeah. Yeah, man, right, you know? Oh, Sai. Emperor. Sure. Yeah, man.
I where me come from, no J.A. I'm a birthplace, I
You
want
know?
me play A.
Eat ya.
Stop by the
Mama
river
Fiyah.
on a Sunday.
Supplemented, good for your body. Shall.
In a Portland,
Coconut
I
oil.
want reach
That's
there.
how they are
Gonna
look for
worry
spot,
cause
so
everything
stop yourself.
safe there. Next door St. Thomas next
Yeah,
day. Me have a chill spot, Morante.
Island, that's, you know.
She deep
Yeah,
so.
man.
She dance up with birthplace.
Yeah. Burn it up, burn up.
Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so.
Cameras capture the experience.
Right, you know, I go touching the streets and see what go on early morning, you know, in a Portland. And as usual, Rosie still not get up yet. Boy, may I tell you. So right now, I go leave her and go touch the road, see what go on the road. You see me? Alright. How where me come from? No J.A. I'm a birthplace. Yeah. Burn it up, burn up the road, me G. Yeah. Now the market say fast, you know, youth. You never know. Now there, you know. In a Portland. Where the boat was? Alright. See place, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man, in the city, you know. Make a look cruise. Now earlier. See it beautiful ocean there. Yeah, man. Early morning cruise you know get, you know. You see to the boss. Yeah. Yeah, roll through the town of Portland right now. The place nice, the place sweet. Sweet. Yo, buy some chicken last night at that spot there. Yeah, cause the place is locked down and the time is late. So stop and buy some chicken there, so. Yeah, man, but then me drive go to the beach on a Portland. See it there? Yes, I. Come abroad. Me happy let me get me green card. I wanna like that can't go on my lad. Make a drive to Port Maria. Me have couple ends in a Manchester. Me no need no escort. Me jump in a me carriage drive go Westmoreland. Jamaicans a read up bars, a cruise by a raft in a Black River. From Lucy to Savlan, Marquis, Manas River, down there too far.
I where me come from.
Yes, I.
J.A.
I'm a birthday. Yeah, so if you remember your friend, you know, Jaja. Like a spot here. Uncle Dickie. Long time I come in and say, you know, place lock off. Jaja. Big up yourself, Uncle Dickie. Jaja youth. One the view. One the view. Yeah. Yeah, me live. Look pon the view, man. Navy Island that, you know. Yeah, man. Where may I come from? We are somewhere around them side there. Over that side there. Yeah, man. This is how I'm there. After me, you know. Yes, I. Best I. Ever, more, never less I. So nobody want test I. I'm birthplace, I want me play A. Stop by the river. Yeah, man, them say. What them say when they look, say the devil and his wife are fight for fish bone. When you see the sun and the rain a fall. Yo! Yeah, man. Right here now, they are out on the waterfront here. All that look of view. You see what I say? And I consume some food. A beer rain in a Portland here. I tell you so. Right now, there's nothing you can do right now. Some man they are go out go fish. You really can go do that. But me not do that. Where you say, Rosie? Yeah. Right now they are consume some food. You know? Today is Sunday. This is how we can get right. You know, we want some food. But them not have no food. So right now they are going easy. Rosie boss lady. Yeah man, so right now they are and thing we are free to head out here now because it don't make no sense to stay and there's nothing we can do. You know? Might as well we go we are because we can't do nothing now we are to. Yeah, and then now right now the rain kinda clear up you say, you know, but the rain gone back which way we are head, so we don't know if you expect. We don't want to leave. Don't want to leave out too late. And then in the night now, in a heavy rain and heavy weather, yeah, that's problematic right now. So if I would just do the right thing. But who can remember still look at island there, you know. So we go and look at island still, but yeah. It we did go over there, yeah. Yeah, and see the local beachfront there, right? There's a little brown spot there at the beachfront. I'm gonna tell you right now, before this, the waves them did rough. And you couldn't see the island there, the island black off from the with the amount of rain we have fallen. You couldn't see the island, you couldn't see no way down here, so from which part I did there. And thing I look out. And the sea did rough, dark, like midnight, you know. But the place clear up here now, so let's see what is there to see. If you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yes. So, BM.
Yeah, video here.
Eh? Yeah, so there I want to look at spot so stop here so. And thing, look on the place man. Yo. Watch out. Hey, the ganja. They for your ends. They for your ends. So if you ever see this, I don't know if you watch my channel, you know, but I watch all of your videos them. So if you see this, they for your ends right here now. You know? Watch out. Jelly. Yo. Watch your babe. Yo, look on the view, ya babe. Yo. Watch it. We're there, we're outside, we're outside. We're outside. Oh. Hear the water, man, hear the wave, watch it. Watch it. There. Yo. This is one look stop. One look you don't call chill out spot. Yeah. It's a nice little place where you can easy. And right across from it is a Rasta place, you see it. Them sell vegetarian food, natural juice, and all of them something there. So whenever you go into Portland or come out of Portland, you can pass and stop there. Right? Yeah, so you don't know the things set. But look on the view, my people. Yo, I'm go closer. I'm go closer so you can see. Watch out. Look at the lizard there. Yo, look at the lizard. What's up, man? You alright, man? Yeah. Oh, look here. I see you rough. Rosie, what you saying?
It's a beautiful view.
Beautiful view. Alright. Yeah man, cho. See it here, you know? Real, original and organic, you know. Yeah man, see it there? Original fire, red ganja wine. And see there, anytime you need one, check out the number to call. And anytime you pass White Rock Buff Beer, yeah man, so see this spot here? Alright. Alright. So this is the spot, you know? See it here? Mama Fiyah Kitchen. Alright, so you don't know anytime you want the natural and organic supplement good for your body.
Yes.
heal the soul, the mind and everything. Yeah man, yes how you find it, you know. I mean I tell you, a Jamaican, made by Jamaican, you know. So support the people, you understand what I say? Yeah man, we want to carry this go global right across the world, you know, cause from a natural and authentic, I decide for the right across the world, don't it? Alright, yeah. So yeah, I'm sure them right, you know, with the right across from the spot here, so you know. Yeah, so we're on this white rock road with the right? White rock road. Spring Garden, White Rock Road out of Buff Bay, you know? Yeah man, so see this spot here man, you can't miss it man. Can't miss it. Anytime you pass or go Portland or come from Portland, can't miss it. See it here? Yeah man. Look, natural. Coconut oil. See it there? Everything. Cold press. Alright, see it there? See it there? Alright. Rasta roots, you know, original, everything original. And this is our castor oil is natural molasses. Okay, and this is our castor oil. Ganja oil. Wow, see ganja oil here, you know. Yes man. Jaja God. So check out this the event here. So it's on February the 2nd, 2025. So next year thing, you know. Mama Fiyah and Papa Fiyah and family present a Black History celebration towards a Portland Nyabingi Center. Yeah man, and the date is on February the 2nd, 2025. So in the indigenous Rastafari I rise, yes, spiritual earth people. Yeah man, lots of artists, health fair in the day, free blood pressure test, blood sugar test. Yeah man, and the ticket is only $1,000. Come on man, it worth it. It worth it man. $1,000. Yeah man. So be there, you know. Yeah man, and support the thing, you know. Black History celebration, you know. Yeah man. So the 25th, hear me? The 2nd of February 2025. Yeah man. Rastafari. See it there? Yes sir. Look for behavior though man. Yes I. Naturally in our suit, you know.
Like a few skirts with long years.
Yeah. Yeah man,
right.
True.
So alright, you are going.
Yeah. So I make a chat.
Yeah,
so far, there fire? Yeah man, alright. Yeah.
To the item really, we don't know still, you know.
Yeah.
Because them try to hide the Black History from I and I.
True.
And I can't throw things around your seat. I shot this month. And I hear them say a Black History.
Jaja. So them still a short change. We see them way.
Yes.
Lord of mercy.
3 days after the event is my birthday.
Yes, yeah, because the 5th she born. So we are trying to say we can make it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a good thing, man.
Yeah,
good
man.
Celebration that fair, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yes,
I.
Yeah, this is tabernacle, you know.
Yeah, man, cool,
Yeah,
man.
Fire burning still,
Yes, which is right.
When
See
you come
there?
on to Nyabingi Center, you know, we always try to have the fire burning.
Alright.
And when you come on to the celebration,
Yes, I.
always have fire at the celebration, then, you know.
True.
I see the fire now. The fire is a thing that guide I and I and protect I and I.
Alright.
Spiritual power within the mystic of creation.
True.
Because without the fire we can't survive, you know.
True.
Because when we say fire, people are really, but them don't know say them are fire said we.
Yeah, the
Because
fire
when the time you get
inside.
colder when you're dead.
Yeah,
So the fire
true.
always in your keep burning.
Yeah, true.
As long as the heart a beat and the fire that.
True.
So the people don't realize that.
Yeah, man.
So that's why
Yeah,
I
man.
Rastafari now always have a chant the fire.
True.
Yeah,
True.
Redemption, man.
Yeah, man.
So when we hear Rastafari.
Yes, I.
Every first of March,
Emperor.
mostly, the chant being
Yes.
here, so.
Okay.
The first of March is when I call for the Battle of Adwa.
Okay.
The victory of the Battle of Adwa.
Oh,
See?
yeah, man.
It is the victory of the Battle of Adwa.
Okay.
Yeah, and this war now is when European invaded Ethiopia.
Oh.
Way back when, you know, and Ethiopia and them.
Okay.
You know, see it, and then now, it was Menelik the second. I ruled them time there as emperor. See, and Menelik said, now go war today. And Empress tried to, which is him wife, said, no man, we have to go war because we have to get this
get it
army
sorted
and
out.
defeat out of the
Yeah,
country.
true.
So she as a female lead the troops to war
Okay.
and conquer the battle, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, and become victorious over European, you know, see?
Yeah.
So
true.
from that now, you know, it go down in our history. Empress
Oh.
Taito, you know, conquer the battle.
Yeah.
Padoa, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So
Great
it was
history
so-
argue, man.
My youth,
man.
alright, I want youth I get in the fire.
Oh.
With Mama Fiyah, you know, and that's why I give her name Taito.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when I learn of the history of the battle of Padoa, see? And was a female conqueror and her name was Taito.
Yeah.
Empress Taito. I said, no man. I will give my daughter name Taito.
True.
Yeah man, so that
Powerful
victim-
name, powerful.
No, when she start go school, no other name. Abijah, I don't get her name, because Abijah was Jeremiah's mother. Prophet Jeremiah, when I read
True.
Bible and check everything.
Yeah, man.
See? But when I hear of this history, of this empress, I say, no man, I have to really give my daughter, you know.
Yeah, true.
That history there remain, you know.
Yeah, man.
So,
True.
Right now, I do fear and I, because I know Rastafari is real.
True.
I would have made that stop and I, right here, Rastafari.
Yeah,
So
man.
even this tabernacle now, why we there, we have to just try to keep it up.
Yeah, man.
And keep it clean and airy and yellow.
Yeah,
So
true.
when one like the them come in when young, you know, as I said, you call up on the youth them, you know.
True.
I have to really carry the item come enlighten it, make it show the item say,
Yeah, man. I know, say, me as a youth, I grew up round whole heap of Rasta too, you know.
Yes, but
I usually go Bingy and them place there.
Yes.
March on fire,
Yeah.
drummer play,
Alright, sir.
and all of them something there, you know.
Yeah, if I come
Yeah,
back-
man. And remember, if you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so.
And it's a you from me young, me love Rastafari.
Alright.
I'm thinking to me, it was the most spiritual thing I could have find.
Fine, definitely.
Yeah, and the most realest, because when you look back, you know, and the thing, enough of the things them where we hear Rastaman a teach and a show away from youth, it will come and see nowadays, you know.
Yeah, so let me ask
Yeah, because even when I say, when we walk out barefoot and all them things there, people usually look on it and I say,
like
but at the real origin.
original
And see, they know the same people them who just say certain things, and them I do the same thing now, we not talk about years, you know. Yeah.
So, I hear so we burn the judgment fire, you know.
Okay.
When Bingy a chant.
Oh.
And this are the ashes
Okay.
and the fire.
Eh?
So when Bingy a chant again now, we want to dig up this and go through one.
Alright, true.
If you notice, him show them he put them in something that can move.
Okay,
So anytime Bingy a keep, that's what the fire
can move
keep.
it, true.
Yeah, we burn the
Yeah,
fire,
man.
everyone come and
Well,
gather around. So I guys say
man.
march around the fire. When we light the fire,
True.
we just march around the fire and 7 times, and then we head to the tabernacle with the drums.
Alright.
Keep the chant alive, you know.
True. Yeah, man, I love for forward, man. I try to set everything.
Yeah, man, Mama Fiyah 78 where we do.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
See,
So,
I'm gonna go closer so I can catch it.
This is
Yeah.
I set up, you know.
Okay, yeah, man. So, see the performance. Eh? Oh, yeah, man. So, see it there? Yeah. So, right here, so, at the stage, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, I. Yes, fires are nice.
Yeah,
place
man, like
here,
how they
man. True.
It's a real moment, you know.
Yeah, yes I. It's a real moment for true, man. Yeah, man, I give thanks, man. I'm really honored for you welcome me in a place and thing, you know. And I show me the roots and I teach me the roots, you know.
And that's
yeah,
an idea for man.
True.
An idea not for reject, you know.
Yeah.
But for really select the real ones, them.
Alright.
You see, when you're fraud,
It eventually show.
yeah,
True.
So we not to endorse
Yeah.
fraud, you know.
True.
But when I read still I say, yeah. Welcome, you know.
Yes I.
So we have to deal with it. When they could have stopped and said they want to take a picture.
Yeah.
That means they accept the
Yeah, true. Come here, tell them I couldn't pass and not stop. See it here now, the original Fire red ganja wine. I'm gonna test it here now for you first time, you know. So test it out you know. No sweet. Kind of have a taste like roots. Yeah. Not bad. Nah lie. Not bad at all. See it there?